This video guide is about removing the unwanted browser extension that is called Simple Files Downloader. Simple Files Downloader is a third-party extension that actually plays the role of adware. Once installed, this Simple Files Downloader extension starts displaying a lot of advertisements which are not related to the sites that you visit. Clicking on these ads is dangerous and may point you to many shady and malicious resources in the internet. So, we strongly advise you not to tolerate this extension. If you have discovered it to be the part of your Google Chrome, you should remove it immediately. The problem is that very often people install this extension without understanding that they are actually installing it. The extension may be integrated with some free applications, so they may actually install it through the extension being bundled with some free software. This is why it is considered to be the potentially unwanted program, and indeed it has got the elements of adware. In case this extension was mistakenly added to the Google Chrome browser, you should urgently undertake the measures and remove it. Access the menu of the browser, of your Google Chrome browser. Then in the menu click on More Tools, then Extensions. So disable and remove this extension. To make sure that your system is free of any other hidden threats, I would recommend researching it with Combo Cleaner Antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin researching your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.